So how can you check the manufacturing date on the iPhone? Let me show you how it could work. Let's get started. And if you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step would be to open up your settings app and go to the about section of your phone, and you need to copy the serial number. So it's like a number specific to your device. So make sure you copy that thing, then open up Safari web browser, and you can literally just look up the checkcoverage.apple.com, or just type it into the search like that. The specific URL will appear, so you can click it like that. Then if it asks you, obviously you can just select the region if you're asked to do that, right? So wherever you happen to be, you select the proper region, and then you can paste the serial number in there. So you're going to click on send, and it's going to give you all of the information about your phone, right? So you'll see when the phone has been bought and all of the different things which you might be interested in. So you can see how long your warranty is going to last for, and also, as I say, when the phone has been bought, right? So that is when or can find some information about it. But to specifically see the manufacturing date, you can open up your settings app of the iPhone, then go to the battery section and click on the battery health. And there you should see the cycle count, the health, and all of that, but also the manufacturing date. It's not for the whole phone, but it's likely for the battery, but it kind of goes hand in hand, right? So you will probably see when it was manufactured in terms of the battery, but likely the rest of the phone as well. And also you can generally guess when the phone has been manufactured, because this is, for example, an iPhone which has been here for a year, 2, 3, whatever. So you know about which time it could be manufactured. So that is the information that is accessible to you. I just wanted to show you all that there is available. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.